Types of animals. In this module, you will learn how to group animals based on the food they eat. It's lunch break in school. Sid and Neil are having their lunch. Let's see what they are eating.
Neil, what do you have in your lunch box today?
A sandwich. And what do you have?
It's a chicken burger. I love it. Do you want to have a bite?
Sid, I don't eat chicken. I'm a vegetarian.
Well, depending on the type of food, we group people as vegetarians and non-vegetarians. In the same way, we can group animals based on the food they eat. There are some animals that eat only plants and their parts. For example, a rabbit eats only grass and fresh vegetables. Similarly, a cow also eats grass and grains. Such animals that eat only plants and their parts are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Other examples of herbivores are buffaloes, deer, and camels. There are some other animals that eat the flesh of other animals. Look at this cat. It is eating a mouse. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Like a cat, a lion, a tiger, and a leopard are also carnivores. Now there are some animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. For example, a crow eats grains. At times, it also eats the small birds or young ones. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Like a crow, a bear, a fox, and a squirrel are also omnivores. So kids, now you know how we can group animals on the basis of their food. Now, let's recap. We can group animals into different categories based on the food they eat. Animals that eat only plants and their parts are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores.